Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, a big hello. My name is Alison. Thank you so much for joining me, and as always, if you are returning as one of my gorgeous subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. I love and can't thank you all enough for being here supporting me on this YouTube journey. So today's video, I'm just going to do a cleaning motivational video. I haven't done one of these in such a long time. I used to do quite a lot of these, but I haven't actually done any. I've been kind of enjoying my kind of beauty and haul side of videos. So if you do enjoy this video, you would like to see more, then please do comment down below and let me know. Today's cleaning video is going to be more of a quick, let's get things done kind of cleaning day, as with the kids off, I don't have as much time to spend on cleaning as we need to get some of the school work as such done. And with having like nearly a 1-year-old, you know, there's not a lot of time in the day. So I'm just going to get the kitchen, the living room done, just do a quick clean, show you what I do. So grab yourself a cup of tea, coffee, whatever your pleasure is, my darling. Sit back and relax, or pop me on the side and let's clean together. And that's what I usually do, as I love to watch cleaning videos as a motivation to me for a bit of get up and go some days, because we all need that. So if that is a day for that for you, pop me on the side. Let's get this done together, darling. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy the video. And yeah, let's just get straight into it, eh? So my lovelies, we are starting in the kitchen. As you can see, there is quite a bit of clutter on the side. There's still bowls and that left out from breakfast. So we're going to get all that tidied up, give everything a good wipe down. I hope that you do enjoy this clean, and I am just going to clean and not talk through, just put some music on. But if you prefer me to talk through in future videos, do comment down below and let me know. And what on earth as well is this? Why has this happened? Anyway guys, enjoy!
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. So take me on a trip now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah. Give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. For so long, do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm standing a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles, but if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm standing a little high on you. Standing a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Standing a little high on you. Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel a burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down. All delusional. Stop the feeling.
So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed the video. I did attempt to do the living room. As you can see up here, my darling boy decided to throw his naps all out the window on the day I decided to try and film the cleaning video. So unfortunately, I really could not get anything done with him. And I then decided to wait until we were in the bed in the evening and completely forgot to film. So I do apologise about that. But, you know, that's life. And sometimes, you know, we plan our days out and what we want to get done, but things don't always go to plan. And that's all right. You know, we're only human and we can only do what we can do. And as long as you've attempted something, you've got a little bit done, then it doesn't matter too much. So I will try and do a more in-depth cleaning video for you if you want to see one from me. So please do comment down below and let me know if you do. I do hope that you did enjoy my, well, clean of the kitchen video. It was nice to be filming a cleaning video again. It's just hard to get around the kids sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna have to try and plan it around a nap for the next time that we do this. But I hope that it gave you a little bit of motivation, or that you just generally enjoyed watching it. I do get some satisfaction out of watching someone clean their house. It's weird, but I do. So if you're one of those people as well, I hope that you bring you a little bit of joy. And I hope that you're all well. Take care. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, just let me know in the comments anything you want to see from me, guys. So, or if you just want to say hey, right down below. And I will talk to you soon. And my next video is going to be my June favourites. I can't believe we're in July, guys, now. Where is this year going, eh? So yes, June favourites will be uploaded on Sunday. So please stick around to check that out, and I'll see you all then. Take care, guys. Bye.